Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix VPN not connected in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your VPN is not connected, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that your device is not connected to any DNS, or you can also try to flush your DNS by using CMD. Just press the search button and here just search for CMD or command prompt. Once you find, just right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Now you must see this type interface. Here you have to enter some commands. So the very first, you have to enter the command which is ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Press enter from your keyboard. So it will completely flush DNS from your PC. Now you have to enter the second command which is ipconfig space slash release. Press enter from your keyboard, so it will start some checks. Once it's done, you have to enter the third one, which is ipconfig space slash renew. Then press enter from your keyboard. So once it's completed, you have to enter the last command of your CMD, which is netsh space winsock space reset. Once you have entered, press enter from your keyboard, so it will completely reset your Windows settings. So once you have done, you must have to restart your computer to complete the reset. So after doing that, you have to restart your PC, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.